guys, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Welcome to day 23 of Waxfun. Only one more day tomorrow to go, guys. This was one of my favorite ones to do during Waxfun. I love a good skin peel. So you can see this particular patient here. They've got this, what looks like a hard sort of ring of wax here. But as we start to get a grip here, we can see this outer harder section. I think this is mostly skin with a little bit of wax sort of topping it off. So we just got the crocodile forceps in here. Let's grab that layer and start to pull that away. You can see as I pulled, it all started to move and then just stopped. And I think that's because it's still attached to the back end here. So we're just going to take this, look at this coming away. Nice long strip there. Let's take a look behind it. You can see now how the canal wall skin is detached. This top layer is died off and dried out a little bit. And that's what sort of formed some of the problems here. So we're just going to give this a little pull. There we are. You can see it's still attached quite firmly in here. So we're going to carry on with the crocodile forceps just a little bit longer. Look how that, you can see how it just peels away. What you'll see, do you notice how the fresh skin has got this pinkish hue and the dead skin's got this kind of beigey coloured hue? And that's how you tell the difference between the two. But you can see as I'm kind of peeling this down, it's coming away really, really well at the moment. It does get a little bit stuck in a second, I'll warn you in advance, but it comes away really, really well. There's a chunky bit here at the bottom, which I'm just trying to lift. There we go, off the canal. I'm trying to look up. I lift off the top of the canal. And when we start taking this top, look at the eardrum now, guys. Look at that. Look. There you go. The entire eardrum had this layer of dead, dry skin all over it. As we're pulling this down, you can see I'm really trying to peel this away here. Look at it coming away from the eardrum underneath. There we go. So all that dead skin is really peeling away. So imagine you've got this hardened layer. I'll stop talking a minute. Look at this coming away. Look at that peeling off the eardrum so well. It's always really satisfying when it comes out like that. Look at this long strip that's coming away here. That's all, basically that was completely covering the eardrum. It's coming down the canal, how it all connects together. Don't forget, the eardrum skin forms the ear canal wall skin. So you've got a dry layer there. Chances are it comes down the canal as well. So look at that coming away. And you can see just how thin that layer is. It's really translucent. You can really see through there. I did say I would stop talking. I talked through the entire thing. I'm so sorry. So we're getting to these last couple of plugs now. There we are, these kind of drier flakes of skin. There's one sitting right in the recess there as well, which proved a little bit problematic. He didn't want to come out very well. There we are, these kind of bigger chunky bits. But look at the sheen. When we go back in now, look how shiny that eardrum is now compared to how it was just a few seconds ago. You know, and how this patient's been really kind of struggling. Look at that peeling away with their hearing there. You can see this layer, this whole kind of layer of skin lifting up as we lift this. There we go. It's coming away. Ooh, it's coming away really, really well. It's just holding on. It doesn't want to come away. So we're just going to keep working on this. I think it's connected to this deeper plug here. You can see how it kind of, as we lift the plug, the bottom half of that skin starts to come away as well. This plug didn't want, because you imagine this is still connected. So that skin layer that we saw is down in the recess as well. And this is holding on to that skin layer. So we really didn't want to come away well. Let's get back in here now. We've got to get this section out. You can see me moving this a lot. The difficulty is at the moment, I want to try and move it. We could look at putting the forceps on this, but I haven't got the angle to get the forceps in, because when you're deep in the canal, you kind of restricted on the angles you can use the forceps for. So we need to kind of bring it off to give me plenty of space between the canal wall and the eardrum there to be able to get a good enough grip to get the actual jaws of the forceps on far enough. But look how that's coming away now. And see how it naturally wants to flop back to its original position. It doesn't want to come away easily here. There we are. Let's grab that piece again. Can we draw him out? It's holding on for dear life in here. There's actually, look at the left-hand side. See, there's a layer starting to pull there as well. Look as we move it. There. Can you see that layer starting to pull? Yeah. Keep an eye on that one. So it's really coming away off the canal wall. Can we grab this with the forceps? Keep an eye on that layer. Watch this. I know what's coming. I love it when I know what's coming. So there we go. Look at that peeling away. Ah, it broke away. It's this bit you've got to watch. So look at it peeling away from the right-hand side as well. That whole skin layer, watch as we pull this down, slow this down so you can see this coming away. It peels all the way down from the right-hand side, from the left-hand side, the base of the canal's all starting to peel as well. So we're getting rid of all this old dead skin in here. Look at how it's coming away there. And that's already, we've done the surface peel. But keep an eye on it. Look at this coming away. There we go. Look how that peels, and there's a little bit from the anterior recess. This whole left-hand side of the ear canal, I forget my left and right's reversed on here. The left-hand side is coming in. Look at the size of that piece. It's almost taken the entire surface dead skin layer off the eardrum there. Look at that. That is huge. They're my favorite ones to do. Look at that ear canal. Look how squeaky clean that is in it now. There was this one little lift that was really annoying on this one side. It didn't want to come away at all. As much as I tried to pull it away, it did not want to come. So it's probably still attached to some really healthy skin. Let's give it one more go, because it's really annoying. Oh, there we are. Perfect. So we'll take a look behind that now. Eardrum looking good. Ear canal looking so much better in there. I'll show you what we removed now in a second. Look at the size of those pieces of skin. That's 5 centimeters, 2 inches worth of wax there. I don't know, wax, skin, I'm sorry, coming away. So yeah, looking really, really good. Ah, there we are. Well, guys, it's a bit sad, but we're coming to the end of Wax Front. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I'm kind of sad and happy because A, it's my birthday, and B, it's the end of Wax Front. So tomorrow, you will see both me and Taylor in tomorrow's video. What we thought we'd do is I pick my favorite one that I've done over this last 24 days, and Taylor's picked his favorite one that he's done over the last 24 days, and we'll put them together and we'll do a video. So that's what you get tomorrow, guys. So I think I haven't edited it fully yet, but I think you're looking at about half an hour, I think, tomorrow. I think we're pretty much equally split. I think it's 15 minutes of Taylor, 15 minutes of me. So as always, guys, take care of your ears, take care of yourselves, and take care of one another. Yes, do that as well. And we shall see you tomorrow for our last day of Wax Front. Have a good night, guys.